Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make yamarita and egg sauce. I will start by slicing the yam, making sure that it is thick enough to be cut into yam fingers. Once I am done slicing, I will go ahead to peel the yam. In order for us to stop our yam from oxidizing and turning brown, we need to use the water submersion method. This is a common method that involves immersing the already peeled yam in water as soon as possible. Yamarita is a common Nigerian dish which is simply boiled yam that is coated in egg mixture. The egg mixture is usually a combination of eggs, dry pepper, ginger, garlic, seasoning, and salt to taste. Yamarita is a Nigerian dish that is delicious and also easy to make. Yamarita can be paired with different side sauces such as egg sauce, vegetable sauce, fish sauce, and many others. In this video, our dish will be paired with egg sauce. Once you're done peeling the yam, proceed to cleaning your yam by washing it in salt water. Let's set the clean yam aside and proceed to boil some water which will be used to cook the yam. It's time to cut the yam into fingers. Kindly note that you can cut the yam into desired shapes. Our yam fingers are ready. They look so beautiful, and now it's time to cook. Once your water comes to a boil, add some salt to it. Now, gradually put all the yam fingers into your boiling water. Once this is done, cover and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until it is 80% done. While our yam is cooking, let's go ahead to prepare our egg mix. My signature egg mix is a simple recipe that involves only 2 ingredients: eggs and yaji. Yaji is a popular spice blend in Nigeria that is made from a combination of dry pepper, ginger, garlic, onion powder, cloves, black pepper, seasoning, and salt. Our yam has been cooking for a while now and it is 80% done. Separate the yam from the water by transferring it into another bowl and let it cool down for a bit before frying. The next step is to coat our yam in the egg mixture and start frying. There are 2 ways of frying yamarita. You can either coat it with flour or without flour. In this recipe, we will be using our egg mixture without flour. Now, gradually coat the yam fingers in the already prepared egg mixture. Dip it into the hot oil and start frying. You are to fry this until it is golden brown. Keep flipping at intervals until it is well cooked and golden brown. So when this is ready, all you need to do is to take it out of the oil, let it strain for a bit, and then it will be ready to serve. Let's go through the same frying process with the remaining yam fingers. All you need to do is coat in your egg mixture, dip into the hot oil, flip over at intervals, make sure you fry until it's golden brown, take it out of the oil into your strainer and let it strain until it's ready to serve. When frying your second batch of yam fingers in the hot oil, there is a possibility that it's going to foam, and this is as a result of the moisture that has been introduced in it, which is the egg mixture that we used. There is nothing to worry about, just pat it gently at the top and you'll be good to go. Now it's time to prepare our egg sauce. Add some oil to your cookware, crack open your eggs, add some salt to taste, beat your egg gently and pour it into the pan to be scrambled. Gently fry your eggs until it is nice and scrambled. This egg sauce recipe is one that you are going to love because this is not your regular egg sauce. Trust me. So watch till the end. A quick shout out to my sister Queen Latifah for sharing this recipe with me. Once our egg is scrambled and ready, all you need to do is take it out of the pan, set it aside, and now it's time to make our pepper sauce. Add some oil to your cookware, fry some onions. Please note that you can cut your onion into your desired shape. Let the onion fry for a bit so that the flavor of the onion is released into our oil, and then you add your pepper mix. Your pepper mix can be fresh or frozen. Allow it cook for some time, add some salt to taste, some seasoning cube, crayfish. Give it a good mix and let it cook for some time. When you start seeing a little bit of oil at the top of your sauce, it means it's time to go in with our scrambled eggs. Give it a good mix until it is well cooked and well combined. When it looks like this, you know that it is ready. Just look at the oil separation. Look at how beautiful our egg sauce came out. I told you earlier, this is not your regular egg sauce. It's time to plate our delicious Yamarita and egg sauce. Thank you for staying with me thus far. If you made it to this end and you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you found this video interesting and useful, be sure to leave me a like, comment on my video, share with family and friends so that they can try this delicious recipe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.